Guys, and hope doing well. I have one video for the Mega 168 EMF sensitive detector, and this one is at Mega 328 connected to the 3.7 volt regulator. It is 12 to 300 12 volt to 3 volt 3 ampere converter. It is very well low noise. You can see one speaker is connected to the Arduino Pro Mini, and one copper wire, jumper wire, is used as antenna loop, and this is very sensitive EMF detector. I have one commercial electronic EMF detector also. I have one plastic bottle, one pipe with Teflon tape. That's it, to test the EMF radiation. I should say the electromagnetic radiation can find anywhere, but some kind of electromagnetic waves comes with multipolarity. We call the cross polar. I'm turning on the project with this. Very nice. When I'm shaking the pipe, also when I'm touching the plastic bottle, you can see the electronic one, commercial one, is completely off. Don't know what is this, but my project will detect the fields very well. This project, it looked like determine music generator. I have one special video for determine, but you should know determine usually work with body capacitance, but this one working with EMF radiation. Thanks for watching. I will try to leave the code with GitHub if you want to know more about electromagnetic radiation field. Thanks for watching and goodbye.